Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we're making 3 childhood favorite desserts. While sophisticated desserts are all well and good, sometimes we long for something a bit more simple and fun. These classic favorites are guaranteed to bring back that carefree childhood playfulness with every bite. Let's start off with worms and dirt. All you need is whipped cream, chocolate pudding, cookie crumbs, and gummy worms. Whisk the pudding and the whipped cream together until they are well mixed. In a cup or a dish, add alternating layers of cookie crumbs and the pudding mixture. Top it off with some gummy worms and place it in the fridge to chill for 1 hour. Next we have confetti squares. In a microwave-safe bowl, add butterscotch chips, peanut butter, vanilla, and some butter. Heat in the microwave at 20-second intervals and stir in between until you get a smooth mixture. Add in 3/4 of a bag of mini marshmallows and stir to coat, then press the mixture into a baking tray. Top off with the remaining marshmallows and let it chill in the fridge for a couple hours before slicing into squares. Last but not least, we have my favorite, monster cookies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream together white and brown sugar with butter, then add in eggs one at a time, followed by peanut butter, vanilla, baking soda, salt, and oats. Next, fold in some chocolate chips and M&Ms. Tray up your cookies and bake until the edges are golden brown. It should take approximately 15 minutes, depending on your oven and how large you want the cookies to be. Let them cool on the tray for 10 minutes. To make these cookies extra fun, you can decorate them with silly monster faces like these. Now it's time for the taste test.
Childhood treats. Excited. Well, we'll start this way.
Alright.
Chewy, chocolatey, all kinds of good deliciousness. Can't go wrong with one of these. This one's just a classic, can't go wrong with it. These are definitely the sweetest of the bunch.
Yeah.
But they're also probably the most flavorful, so choose your poison. I like them though. I'd still eat them.
Alright, so now you've had them all. Favorite?
Worms and dirt.
Oh, classic remains.
Yeah. It's a classic for a reason.
That's true.
Yeah.
Chat with us in the comments about your favorite childhood desserts because we'd love to do another video like this in the future. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next week.